Okay, so this is my Astable Multivbrator prototype, and I will just be quickly showing you how to build this circuit, and then I will actually be discussing how it works through my PCB.
In order to build this PCB, you will need two 1000 ohm fixed resistors, two 10,000 ohm fixed resistors, multiple wires, two red LEDs, two 100 microfarad capacitors, two 3904 NPN transistors, one power adapter, one 9-volt battery, and a terminal block.
So before I talk about how this circuit works, let's talk a little bit about a transistor. So a transistor has three legs. The emitter leg of the transistor is where the current is going to exit when it is in the circuit. The base leg of the transistor is a component which will allow current to flow from the C leg, which we're going to talk about in a second, to the E leg. Now the C leg. When the current is on the base leg, the C leg will move its current to the E leg. Okay, so this is my Astable Multivbrator, and I will be discussing how this PCB works. So starting off, power is coming through the positive terminal of the battery and into the circuit. When the switch is pushed into the on position, it is going to allow current to flow through, which will result in the LEDs turning on and off. So that's what this circuit does, and now let's talk about how it does it. Right off the bat, you were able to see that this circuit is symmetrical, and no, it is not for looks. This is so that current can flow from the left side to the right side, resulting in both LEDs to turn on at alternating times. When current enters this circuit, it is going to get divided between R1 and R2, but only when the capacitor is charging. Most of the current is going to flow through R1 due to the path of least resistance, and then into the LED, the positive lead of the capacitor, and then into the collector lead of this transistor. This LED will then not turn off because the base pin is not saturated. However, this base pin is saturated, causing this LED to turn on. A little bit of current is also going to be flowing through R2 and into the base pin of the opposite transistor, as a capacitor will stop it from going in. This occurs on the right side as well, which will result in each LED turning on and off. So that's how my circuit works, and I'll just demonstrate it one more time. Thank you.